Imagine a world where money is a tool not for profit but for social change, education, conservation, and overall betterment of society. This world exists right here through the work of nonprofit organizations. Nonprofit organizations, or NPOs, are entities that use their surplus revenues to further their purpose or mission, rather than distributing their surplus income to the organization's directors as profit or dividends. Before we go into more detail about the basics of nonprofit organizations, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Last year, there were over 1.5 million registered nonprofit organizations in the United States alone, and globally, the numbers are staggering, reflecting the vast scope and reach of this sector. Nonprofit organizations vary in size, from small local entities focusing on community services to large international organizations like United Nations Children's Fund and World Wildlife Fund, serving causes across the globe. They span across every imaginable field: arts, education, health, environment, social services, advocacy, and much more. But how does a nonprofit function? They primarily rely on different sources for funding. These include membership dues, product sales, investment income, and most importantly, donations from individuals, corporations, and grants from government agencies. Interesting fact: in 2020, American individuals, bequests, foundations, and corporations gave an estimated $471.44 billion to U.S. charities, a record-breaking number. Nonprofit organizations are accountable to the public, their donors, funders, volunteers, program recipients, and the people who provide them with tax-exempt status. To ensure this, they must comply with legal requirements, maintain public trust, and uphold a high level of transparency and ethical standards. Now, who leads these organizations? They're usually governed by a board of directors, and day-to-day operations are managed by staff and volunteers. In the U.S., it's been recorded that around 63 million adults volunteer their time, talents, and resources to nonprofit organizations each year. Without question, nonprofit organizations are a key component of our social fabric. They foster community involvement, advocate for social causes, and provide a wide array of services that government agencies and for-profit firms may not cater to. If you would like to view more information about how nonprofit organizations function or need help setting up your own NPO, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what is your opinion about nonprofit organizations? Does it make sense to you why they are so popular? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.